Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have to open for you today two, what is this? I meant to do this. Two cotton and twine boxes. Now those they come from the historical, hold on. I'm gonna say it wrong if I don't look. Sampler Company, the historical sampler company. And I have two of them to open because between all the move and everything, I just kind of put some of these things aside so that I could open them once I was kind of settled. I mean, we're definitely not settled, but it's much better than it was. So let me use my skizzers here. And how do I normally open these? Now this one he got a little mushed, but even when that happens, guys, everything is always just fine in the box. So I don't worry about that at all. I love their boxes because you can totally color them if you want. Okay, let me just put that there. And then here it is on the inside. See, it looks just fine. And this one, let's see, it was shipped on September 23rd. So I probably got this one. Where did this one go? Well, this is another reason, is because I had already changed my address. And so this box got to the house before I got to the house. So it's another reason why I couldn't open it until I got here. Okay, so this is the September 2022 design. And it's super cute with the little Halloween stuff. Oh my goodness, I love that. I love that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so when you get it, you will have a color side, and then, is it upside down? And then a black and white side. So you get it both ways, depending on your preference of how you like to read your chart. Okay. Don't ask what I'm doing. I have no idea. It says, "Oh, hello, autumn." And they have, look at the size of the font. I don't need my glasses. I brought them just in case, but oh, hello, autumn. I love this time of year. The trees look so beautiful with their autumnal golds and greens. And of course, Halloween is fast approaching. Remember, this is September. The cross-stitch design this month celebrates Halloween and will look fabulous as part of your spooky decorations. This month's project has been designed in-house by the Historical Sampler Company and has been stitched on our vintage-inspired Zweigart, I'm saying that wrong, fabric with a bright, bold palette of orange, green, and purple DMC threads. I love it. I love it. Orange, green, and purple. Oh, I love Halloween. And so obviously next year is going to be a much better Halloween for me because October was just absolutely nutballs. Okay. Okay, the design is just gorgeous, and the project has been finished into a hanging banner which will be easy to display around your home. As is our signature, the box includes everything to turn your stitching into a finished item. We have this month sourced a wooden doweling hanger from Groves and Banks. It's a great and easy way to display the design and is included in the box. We would love you to share your thoughts and progress reports on your projects with us and other club subscribers, so follow us on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Okay, and then it tells you everything that's in there, so you will see as I open what's inside. Okay, so first thing is the bag of tea that we always get. This one is organic English breakfast tea. And oh my goodness, see, I'm craving a little snack here. And this is, it says Gnaw handcrafted chocolate, milk chocolate with salted caramel. You guys, look at this. I absolutely adore being able to try like these nice little treats from the UK. I love it. Because we'll always get stuff that we just don't have here. All right, you know I can't not have chocolate. So let me see. Is Oh, and it's little squares. Okay, so I can take a little square. Okay. Mmm. Delish. Okay. These are Millie Mae socks. I love socks. You guys, I have got so many pairs of socks. It's not even funny how many socks I've got. Well, just like with everything else in my life, I'm super particular about socks. Like, I need them to be cushiony, nice and soft, and just adorable. And oh my goodness, look at these socks. Is that not Screaming Fall? It's got a little bird over there, a little apple, grapes. Oh, a squirrel. That's what I'm going to call them anyway. Okay, I love the socks. I love them. Okay, here's our little East of India bag that contains all the goodies. Or at least all of the goodies that they can fit in here. Because sometimes, like, I could see the dowel is not in here because it just didn't fit. That's all. They always give us a new needle. So there it is. It's tucked in. And here is our floss. These colors are just screaming, you know, Halloween. I love it. And we've got this so that we can tie the dowel. I'm sure that's what it's for. And here's our Aida cloth. We got the long piece because it's a long wall hanging. And here is the dowel that we received. And yep, there he is. So I'll put our little string in there. And oh no, that was it. Okay, perfect, perfect. It looks like there was more because of the way that the box got all mooshed up. It's fine. That's everything. That's everything. It's lovely. I'm so happy with it. I love this. I love the design. I love the socks. I love the chocolate. It's all amazing. Okay, so I'm going to real quick put this one aside because now we have the one for October. All right, I'm going to set that over there. The box can get ready to recycle. Okay. It's okay, guys. You're good. They're already on. I just opened the... Here's the next one. I just opened the cat lady box. You guys will see that posting. And that'll probably post before this, I imagine. So you'll see that they got this lovely blanket. I'm not going to say anything more. You have to go watch the video. And I'm sure that that blanket was meant for me, but who are we kidding? The cats are going to commandeer that. Okay, so here's the October box. Let's see what we got for October. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this, you guys. Look at that pattern. Oh my goodness, I love that. I love samplers. I really love samplers. And this is just, it looks super fun to make too. Okay. And of course, we have the pattern, which is given to us in color and also in black and white, depending on your preference. Okay. It's here, the first of our Christmas designs for 2022. We think it's never too early for Christmas stitching, and we hope you agree. Actually, I do. I honestly do. I would sew Christmas all year round. The October project has been designed in-house by Historical Sampler Company and features a gorgeous array of festive favorites. The design is stitched on our specially dyed sage green Aida from Zweigart. together with a bright Christmas-themed palette of DMC threads. We just love how the white stitches pop out like twinkling snowflakes. I do too. To finish the project, we have included a white wooden frame to display your Christmas design. The box also contains a hand-painted ceramic needle minder from Stockwell Ceramics and a very tempting chocolate lolly from HF Chocolates. There's more chocolate. Okay, so let's see what's in here. And I was about to say, I didn't see the tea. This is a classic everyday fair trade tea for this month. And, oh my goodness, you guys. It's a chocolate lollipop. Okay, I'm not going to open it because seriously, when you open something like this that's like wrapped all pretty, you have to just eat it right away. You have to just finish the whole darn thing. And I'm not going to do that on camera because that's just not nice. I know I ate one piece of chocolate, but I'm not going to eat an entire lolly. Okay. And I'm not, this was a card. And then we've got this little, oh, maybe that's what it was in. Because, you know, things do get knocked around when they come overseas. So there is this little bag, and I'm thinking that the lolly came in the little bag. That's adorable. I love that bag. Okay, here's our little bag of goodies. And before I show you that, let's just show off the lovely frame for our sampler. Very, very nice. They always do this, and I, for one, love it that they send everything to like completely finish your project. So like you saw in the beginning one where we had the banner, and then they sent us the thing to make the, you know what I mean. Words just escape me. I don't know why. It drives me crazy. But the dowel with the, anyways, you know what I mean. Let's look at the stuff for the pattern. Okay, so they were right. We have this lovely green Aida cloth. And there is a needle in here. It's always tucked in, so you just gotta be careful whenever you're, there it is. They tuck it in under so that it doesn't get, you know, all over the box and stuff. So there it is, tucked in. It's always in that little bag with the purple stripes on it. And here is the floss that we got for this project. And it's always already separate. I mean, listen, they do a beautiful job. I love this. Okay, so there you go. This is the September and the October boxes. I'm sure I am, the next one is imminent. And I will share that with you as soon as it comes in. And I do this, you guys. I know this is a quilting channel, but as a quilter, I know that for me personally, I like doing a number of crafts. So yes, I quilt, I cross stitch, I crochet. So I just feel it's really nice to bring these kinds of things to you guys to just show you what's out there. So if you do enjoy these boxes, I will put some information down below so you can go and get it for yourself. Honestly, this coming from the UK is really not that expensive. I mean, so if you think that, oh, it's from the UK, I can't possibly afford that, at least go check it out because it's not as expensive as you think. And they are great. I love everything that they do over there. And I will actually also be opening an Advent box from them during Vlogmas. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.